Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified whenever I put out a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another one of my videos. I apologize for the fact that I do not have a snake in my hand. They have all recently eaten, so I am not actually handling any of them until maybe later on tonight, which will make it about a whole 48 hours since they have eaten, because I like to give them a solid 48 hours before handling them, just so that I know that they've digested a bit and they're not going to regurgitate their food. So I wanted to address a common myth that is still actually being believed, that's been around for a very long time, and I think could be extremely dangerous for people if they continue to believe in this myth. And I think I've seen lots of videos on it, and I think I want to be a part of that, letting people know about this myth and busting it, because I really don't want anybody getting themselves into a dangerous situation because of false information. So the myth goes, when it comes to identifying venomous snakes, you can tell when a snake is venomous based on its pupils. If a snake has cat-like pupils, then the snake is venomous, but if the snake has round pupils, then the snake is okay and you can handle it. This is in fact incorrect. The presence or lack of venom in a snake has nothing whatsoever to do with the shape of its pupils. In fact, some of the most venomous snakes, like cobras and mambas, just to name a few, have round pupils. Now, yes, there are some venomous snakes, such as copperheads and vipers and rattlesnakes, that do in fact have elliptical or cat-like pupils. These examples are very clear reasons why this myth must be busted. If somebody who doesn't really know what they're doing is out in the wild and they happen to come across a snake and they're interested in it, they could go picking it up thinking that it's okay because of the myth that they have heard about the pupils of the snake. Then they can find themselves bitten by something that can land them in a terrible, dangerous situation. Now, there are various reasons out there for why snakes have the shaped pupils that they have. Some of the things that I have seen state that snakes that are diurnal or that are more active during the day tend to have round pupils, while snakes that are more nocturnal tend to have slanted or cat-like pupils. At the end of the day, the most important thing to know is that if you are going to go out herping or looking for snakes, or even if you come across a snake by accident, if you do not know what the snake is and you cannot positively identify it, it is better to be safer than sorry and not touch the snake at all, in order to avoid any situation that might land you in the hospital or put your life at risk in any way, shape, or form. So I really hope this video has been useful to somebody out there, and I hope that people who don't know much about snakes and who don't know about this myth come across this video or come across other videos like it, because I think as many people as possible need to get this information out there. I want as many people as possible to be able to shoot that myth down the moment somebody starts to say it, because I have heard it a million times in the last 10 years that I have been keeping, and if you haven't heard it yet, you will one day. Somebody is going to try to tell you that the best way to identify a venomous snake is to look at its pupils, and I'm here to tell you that that is not at all the best way to identify a venomous snake. Do your research and learn about the various snakes that are in your local area, be able to identify them when the time comes that you may be presented with a snake. So you guys take care of yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.